HobbyKidsTV.
Alright, Emmett, I got my grappler blaster. Are you ready to go dinosaur hunting? Alright! We're gonna be hunting the elusive T-Rex. Come on, hop on, let's go! Let's hit it! Ah! Did you hear that? Oh no! He's right behind us! Watch out! Ouch! Well, looks like we're not going anywhere in that car. HobbyDude, we need your help! I'm so scared! HobbyDude, we need a bigger truck to go track the T-Rex. Alright guys, check this out. I got you guys the Lego Jurassic World T-Rex Tracker. Ages 7 to 12. Lego number 75918. This Lego set has 520 pieces. Oh, this thing's gonna be so cool to build. It comes with a Tyrannosaurus Rex, Hoskins, an ACU, and a vet. Here's the back of the box. Ah, cool, it looks like there's even a Lego Jurassic World video game. Alright guys, what do you say we put this together? Alright! I say justice is served. Go ahead, HobbyDude, pour out the Legos. So yeah, I know it looks like I have a smile on my face, but does he have to do this every time? Yeah, I think it's like his calling card or something. Ouch! This set comes with 4 bags of Legos, plus a 5th bag containing our T-Rex, stickers, 2 instruction books, and 4 huge tires. Oh man, not again! Wow, those Lego pieces came out really color coordinated. Here we go again! Oh man, this thing is taking forever! Hurry up, HobbyDude! You know what? While you build that, I'm gonna go open up a blind box. Hey guys, guess what I just pulled out of the box? Check it out! Hey, wait a minute. Aren't you the star of the new Jurassic World movie?
Well, I sure am.
Awesome! Come on, you can help us trap the T-Rex.
Alright, sounds good.
I'm not sure how this is gonna go with Emmett driving, but this is gonna be a fun adventure. Do you guys see the T-Rex anywhere? HobbyDude, you gotta build the T-Rex, bro. Alright, T-Rex, we got you. But since I'm a nice dude, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to run away. All you have to do is one push-up. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, it gets me every time. Look, guys, now he's stuck. So funny. Uh-oh, Emmett, you better get us out of here. Get us out of here quick. We got a T-Rex versus T-Rex battle. Ah!
Oh man, that's hilarious. Come on, let's get out of here, son.
I got you.
Alright guys, that's it for this Lego build. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see the new Jurassic World movie. And if you like Lego build videos, we'll see you guys on the next show.